Welcome to Simple Daily English. Hello, everyone. Max and I are finally at our destination. We are standing in front of the hotel. It looks very beautiful and very tall. It has many balconies with flowers.
Hi, everyone. I am so tired after the flight and the long walk from the airport. My legs feel heavy. I just want to go to my room, lie on the big soft bed, and sleep for 10 hours. But first, we need to check in.
That's right. Checking in is the first thing you do at a hotel. It is the process of telling the hotel staff that you have arrived and getting your room keys. Let's go inside to the reception desk.
Look at the lobby. It is very big and luxurious. There are many comfortable sofas, a beautiful carpet, and a very large clock on the wall. The air smells like fresh lemons.
There is the receptionist behind the long counter. Remember to be polite and use your best English. Max.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Sea Breeze Hotel. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon. We would like to check in, please. We have a reservation that we made online last month.
Certainly. Under what name is the booking, please?
It is under the name Lily and Max.
Let me check our computer system. One moment. Yes, I see it. A double room for 3 nights. Is that correct?
Actually, we have 2 single rooms. We are friends, and we like to have our own space to sleep.
Oh, let me look at the screen again. Ah, yes. My apologies. I see the second booking now. 2 single rooms on the same floor for 3 nights. Can I see your passports, please? We need them for our records.
Here you go. Here is my passport, and here is Max's passport.
Thank you. I also need you both to fill out this registration form. It is very simple. Just write your name, your home address, and your phone number, please.
Done. My handwriting is not very beautiful today because I am tired. Lily, do we need to pay for the rooms now or when we check out on Friday?
You can pay now or at the end of your stay. However, we also need a credit card for any extra costs, like the minibar or telephone calls.
Here is my card for the deposit.
Perfect. Everything is ready. You are in rooms 402 and 405. They are on the 4th floor and they are very quiet. Here are your key cards.
Key cards? Are these the keys for the doors? They look like credit cards.
Yes, they are electronic. You just tap the card on the door handle and the light will turn green to open it.
Thank you very much. Can you tell us what time breakfast is served? We are very hungry in the mornings.
Breakfast is a buffet. It is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the dining room on the 1st floor. There is eggs, bread, fruit, and coffee.
Is there Wi-Fi in the rooms? I need to check my emails and watch some videos on my phone.
Yes, the Wi-Fi is free for all guests. You can find the password on the back of your key card holder.
One more question. Where is the elevator? We have 3 many heavy suitcases and 2 backpacks.
The elevator is just behind you, next to the stairs. It is very fast.
Great! Oh, look! A bellboy is coming with a trolley to help us with our bags. That is excellent service.
That is very kind. Thank you for your help.
I am so happy the hotel has a swimming pool and a gym. I saw photos of them on the website. I want to swim every morning.
I am excited about the room service. If I am too tired to go to a restaurant, I can order a club sandwich or a pizza to my room.
This is my room, 402. Let me try the key card. Beep. The light is green. It works.
My room is 405, just down the hall. Max, look inside your room. Is there a minibar?
Yes, there is a small fridge with water, juice, and some chocolate. There is also a safe in the wardrobe for my passport and my money.
Excellent. And in the bathroom, you should find clean white towels and small bottles of shampoo and soap.
I have a great view of the ocean from my window. I can see the waves and the sand. This is a perfect hotel for a holiday.
I agree. It is very peaceful here. Now, let's rest for 1 hour and take a shower. Then, we can go outside and explore the city together.
Sounds like a great plan, Lily. Friends, let's review the hotel words we used today. Reception, the main desk where you check in. Reservation, the booking you make before you arrive. Key card, the plastic card that opens your room door. Lobby, the large entrance area with chairs and sofas. Checkout, the process when you pay your bill and leave.
Friends, when you stay in a hotel, what is the most important thing for you? Do you need a big breakfast, a comfortable bed, or a very fast Wi-Fi connection?
Do you prefer a room with a view of the busy city streets or a quiet view of nature and trees?
Tell us in the comments. It is a very good way to practice your English travel and hotel vocabulary.
If you liked our hotel check-in story, please like the video.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more real-life English lessons. We want to help you travel the world with confidence and a big smile.
I am going to jump on my big, soft bed and close my eyes now. Good night for an hour.
Enjoy your nap, Max. You worked hard today.
See you in the next lesson, everyone. Keep practicing your English.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.